Well, here we're looking at the Dow, and what I think is important here is that you could see that, you could see it trying to improve. You don't see a violation of the prior day's low, and you do see a new high. So, it's trying to drive a little higher. The real point, though, is that this is a lot of resistance right in here, and you're coming toward the 50-day moving average right at the 16,900. So we know that's some good resistance. So I'd be watching for any real break there too. And we've also talked about this one point. This is a very important point in my mind at the 17,000 level. So these are the two ranges I'd really be watching for the confirmation of this continued action, because this was really where we had that nice recovery, very big move, and almost looked like they were going to take it higher, and then you saw the breakdown here on the really at that price level. So that's an area where I think has some significance. It has the prior swing low here. So I do think that it has a lot of importance as we start to see them try to take this higher here. We want to see if it can really break through those ranges here. So far, we're only seeing up 12. It's had a very nice initial move, but when you look at it on the shorter term, let's look here. We can even take it to a 30-minute. You can see here that we're starting to see a little bit of divergence here as it's trying to grind up higher. You're not seeing that same momentum, and it makes sense to me. I think you've seen a very good run, and you're getting closer to those resistance ranges. So traders need to be mindful that that could be, the situation as it tries to drive higher. It can start to get a little bit weaker. It looks like it's trying to make that last gasp. So, again, it's a little tricky situation because you don't want to get too long here, and you don't want to get too short. So it's kind of right in the middle here, but we're getting very, very close. I think we could see this start to weaken up a little bit.